IoT systems are increasingly adopted across industries such as healthcare, agriculture, smart manufacturing, energy, intelligent transport systems, logistics, smart homes, smart cities, and safety. The primary objective of integrating IoT into existing infrastructures is to enhance productivity and efficiency. However, despite their numerous benefits, IoT systems introduce significant security vulnerabilities, raising concerns about potential risks and mitigation strategies. One key weakness is many IoT devices lack robust security mechanisms. Manufacturers often prioritize usability and rapid market entry over security, leaving devices vulnerable to exploitation. Cost-conscious consumers also overlook security requirements, further discouraging manufacturers from investing in robust security features and forcing them to focus on cutting costs and providing desirable functionalities. Additionally, hardware limitations in IoT devices make implementing strong security measures challenging. Low power computing and limited battery capacity restrict the integration of energy-intensive security protocols, leading manufacturers to compromise between device security, reliability, and lifetime. Device lifetime is the time from when the device is deployed to when it runs out of stored energy and is forced to shut down. Successful cyber attacks on IoT systems can result in data breaches, privacy violations, and damage to critical infrastructure. IoT devices are attractive targets because they integrate into essential or critical systems, including energy, healthcare, transportation, and military infrastructures. Attackers can exploit these vulnerabilities to disrupt service and engage in espionage, especially during cyber warfare. Some notable IoT security breaches include Mirai botnet attack. In 2016, a massive distributed deny-of-service attack on domain name services provider DYN disrupted significant services like Twitter, Netflix, and CNN. Stuxnet attack. This worm targeted Iran's Natanz uranium plant, damaging industrial control systems. Jeep hack. Researchers remotely controlled a Jeep SUV, exposing vulnerabilities in automotive IoT systems during a highway drive and in the parking place. Heating system hack. Attackers disabled heating systems during winter in Finland, causing significant heat delivery disruptions nationwide. Verkada hack. Hackers accessed live feeds from 150,000 surveillance cameras, compromising sensitive environments like hospitals and schools. These examples highlight the urgent need for improved IoT security, and vulnerabilities can lead to severe financial, operational, and even human losses. Without robust measures, IoT risks becoming an Internet of Threats rather than an Internet of Things. IoT security involves designing and implementing strategies to safeguard devices, data integrity, and system availability. This includes encryption, authentication, and continuous monitoring to prevent unauthorized access and cyber attacks. This chapter explores key IoT security concepts, challenges, and techniques to secure IoT systems from malicious exploitation.